Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a LinkedIn banner in Canva in just 2 minutes. It's really easy. You just go to your Canva, search for LinkedIn banner, and then you will get a lot of free samples here, right? So let's say I will just go and choose this one, right? This looks perfect, and I will click on customize this template. It will redirect to a new page here, and this is how it's look. Right, so I will just change my name here, right? So I will just write here Anil. So, and yeah, product manager. Okay, you can change your profession, your position, your number, email address, and everything. You can change the image, right? And you can do a lot of stuff, because let me show you. You can see these are some of the creative LinkedIn banners here, right? This person have added his face, right, when he's giving TEDx speech or something, his book which he recently launched, right? And same thing here, this person got a little bit creative, right? So if you're confident about the execution, don't stretch much on ideas, start implementing now. Okay, so and this is also, this person just launched his newsletter, and this is how he is doing, right? And as you can see here, the background is black in the profile picture, and here this is also black. So this is a little bit subconscious decision that makes a banner a little bit more attractive. Same goes here, right? Very similar color structure, right? And this person is just promoting his book, that's why he just mentioned it here. Same way in the profile and banner. So profile and banner makes a really impactful things. Now once you just edit it out, right, you can change the image and everything. And let's go to the share. Now click on download and click on now download. Right, so it will start downloading. It will just take a few seconds till it get download. Let's go into our profile icon here, right? And I will just go to the banner and let's check whether it's got download or not. Okay, it's got downloaded. I'll just go and click on edit, show all files here. Okay, so let me just close this up. So I have already added. Now it's looking good. You can just change everything. You can crop and everything, and once everything is done, just go and click on apply, right? And once you do this, refresh this page, and this is how it's look. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.